everyone, this is me Satya here, and I'm back with another bonus reads. And this reading is going to be for the sign of Capricorn. What we're going to do in this reading is we're going to tap into the situation where you are in no communication, no contact with a specific someone, but you really want to know what is going on in their life. And this reading is something that you can watch and find the answer to. So yeah, we will also take oracle cards in this reading as well. So stay tuned, and while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So Capricorns, let's see what is going on in your person's life, whoever it is that you want to know about. Let's find out what is going on in their life. You are in no communication. Let's find out. King of Cups, Queen of Swords. They are thinking about someone. They are thinking about someone and missing the time that they had with someone. It can be you, it can be somebody else as well. But there is a specific someone on their mind right now that they are thinking about, and they are missing them as well. Whoever it is that you're asking about, I feel like, this person, whoever it is that they are thinking about, this person is somebody who they had feelings for, but they never expressed it. It can be you as well, but yes, there is a specific someone that they are thinking about, and they are thinking about the good times that they had with this one person. Let's see more cards here. Yeah, somebody, they are missing someone. It can be you as well, but it can be another person as well. But I feel like, this person, whoever they are missing, obviously is somebody that they are not in touch with. They are missing the good times with them. So it definitely can be with you as well. It can be you that they are missing as well, but it can be somebody else as well. But yeah, they are pretty much in their mind about it. But yes, they do miss, that specific someone heavily. Let's see more cards here. Queen of Cups. I feel like, they are falling in love with the specific someone. They are thinking of this person a way they never thought before. So this can be you if they never had expressed their love, feelings, and emotions for you ever. Maybe it's them thinking about you, and they are like, the way they are thinking about, this one person. It seems like, they never thought of them like that before, and now when they are thinking of the good times that they spent with this one person, they can think, they can relate, they can understand their own feelings for this for person, and now they can see that, now they can feel that they have love and emotions for this one person as well. Maybe they never acknowledged it before, and that's why, when they are thinking of the good time spent with them, they can now feel the love that they have for that one person. It can be you, it can be somebody else as well. Let's see more cards here. What else is going on? Six of Swords, Two of Wands, Lovers. I feel like, they're really looking forward to have a future with this person. They really want things to go to the point where everything happens on its own without them putting much effort, without this person putting much effort. They're really looking forward some sort of miraculous changes coming in this connection, so they could take this connection to the next level with this specific someone, whoever it is that they're thinking about. Let's see more cards here. This person is somebody who makes them feel good, and this person is somebody who is this person could be very well you. I feel like, this person is somebody at least they are not in touch with. So it can be you, it can be somebody else as well. But yes, I feel like, they're really looking forward to have a new beginning with this person. They have been thinking a lot about this person, and they really want a new beginning with this person, because this person makes them happy the way nobody else ever did. Not just that, I feel like, they see this person to be as their wish fulfillment as well. They do see that they can make them happy that nobody else will ever or can ever make them happy the way they do. And I feel like, this person, whoever it is that they are thinking about and missing right now, they they see that person as somebody who has always put in effort into this connection with them, but they never acknowledge their effort earlier. So I feel like, they are definitely missing this person. Again, it can be you or it can be somebody else as well. and they are really looking forward to have a new beginning with this person. Excuse me. So but right now, this person, whoever it is that you are asking about, plus and the person that they are thinking about, they are not in touch. um, but there is strong deep love between the two of them, and I do see things will work out between the two of them, even if it's you that they are thinking about you. If that's you, I feel like things gonna change in this connection quick. Not It's not gonna take long before you start talking to them, because if it's you, it's gonna happen very quick. Whoever it is that they are dealing with, whoever it is that they are missing right now, I feel like nothing's gonna shift between the two of them very quick. So if it's you, then too you will know, because they are going to reach out, or there is going to be some movement forward within the connection. If it is somebody else, you will know, because this person and that person, whoever it is that they're thinking about, they are going to come together very soon. When we do have flourish, the lotus flower fairy tells you to learn from experience and shed your inner light on any unclear areas of your life or those of others. So it can be a message for you, or it can be the message for the cross watcher as well. Let's move on to the next oracle card, and then we're going to take one more card. Let's see what it has to add to the read. What is going on in your person's life? Let's begin. Give your relationship a chance, work on your partnership. I feel like they really want to give a chance to this connection that they have with someone. It can be again you, it can be somebody else as well. But yes, they really want to work on the partnership this time around. So I feel like they're really dying to have a reconciliation for sure with their specific someone that they are thinking about. Um, if this is somebody that you have been having dreams of, maybe they are really looking forward to have a new beginning with you. But yeah, you will get to know within maybe 1 to 2 weeks time. You will get to know if it's you that they want, or that they are thinking to reconcile with, or it's somebody else. Because I don't think it's going to take them longer than 2 weeks time to come forward and express their feelings and love and emotions. Let's see one last card here. Keep charging ahead and don't take no for an excuse or answer. Expect miraculous solutions to appear. I feel like, again, if you really want a reconciliation with this person, you can use manifestation techniques to make it happen with them. You can make them think of you if you want that. But yeah, I feel like, when this person is going to approach to this person, whoever it is, be that you or somebody else, they are not going to take no as an answer, because they're going to make it happen with this specific someone, whoever it is that they are dealing with. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.